Make some noise for yourselves. Hell yeah. That motherfucking song changed my life, dog. It's been such a journey. And, you know, Teddy, I got to meet him on the show, and he was a beautiful show. And the fact that, you know, I got reassurance from the man that sang that song that it was good, it felt good. Shout out Teddy, man.
Everybody experiences that.
Hell yeah, shout out Teddy. The next song is called Goddamn. I need y'all to turn up with me.
Let's go.
I got you. Goddamn, feeling like a brand new man. Got money in my pocket and I don't see it stopping. The more I make, I'm gonna spend. Only riding in an Enzo. Can't see me through the window now. Put a baddie in a friend zone. Can't see me through the window now. Oh, me would have been vegan. Didn't believe what it even I'm here right now. Nosebleed, top of reach for the ceiling. Eastern arenas and tell a bitch out. Goddamn, feeling like a brand new man. Got money in my pocket and I don't see it stopping. The more I make, I'm gonna spend. Hey, goddamn, feeling like a brand new man. Got money in my pocket and I don't see it stopping. I can't take it with me in the hand. Wasn't in the gym, wasn't in the kitchen. Used to care about it, now busy, don't listen. Never been a dog, I've been running through these bitches. Now they confidential, I'm a slipper, let me fix it. I'm always in a switch, no backboard. I'm going fast, see a million on the dashboard. No matter how you add it up, baby, I'm that boy. Which one of y'all want to fight for? Goddamn, feeling like a brand new man. Got money in my pocket and I don't see it stopping. The more I make, I'm spend.